Hello gorgeous! Today we're testing out a high-tech skincare device in our beauty regimen. I start with the White Charcoal O2 Detox Mask, and I'm actually in love with the fizzy sensation it gives while eliminating toxins and impurities. Give it 15 minutes to do its oxygenating thing, and then rinse with warm water. I spray a generous amount of Hungarian water all over my face, neck, and décolletage area to get all of the nourishing vitamins into my skin before the LED treatment. Today I'm trying out the Jealousy Torch and using it 3 times a week for 3 weeks to increase collagen density. My goal in using this infrared technology is to reduce fine lines that I've already accumulated due to having super dry skin, and I also heard that it helps with rosacea, and I'm always trying to get rid of my pesky little red spot under my eye. Anyway, the directions for this device say to gently massage the LED light for about 3 to 5 minutes on each targeted area. I would recommend laugh lines and forehead. To continue my beauty regimen, I use the Rosa Calm Serum on my rosacea problem spots, along with my favorite Liquid Gold Miracle Serum, which can be applied everywhere, all over my face, neck, as well as my eyebrows and lashes. It can be used on your cuticles, your hair, lips, pretty much anything that needs nourishment. Followed by a few sprays of the Skin Balancing Plant Essence Toner, which is enriched with vitamins and minerals that help promote cell regeneration and is free of fragrance or colors for even the most sensitive skin. Next, I used this oil-free Hydrogel Moisturizer, which contains hyaluronic acid for skin softening and is so important to not just apply skincare products to your face, but to also include your neck and décolletage area. And finally, the number one important step in anyone's daily regimen is sun protection. I use the Daily Mineral Guard every day because it has SPF 25 to protect me from harmful UV rays and keep me youthful. Anti-aging beauty tip: don't forget to also apply your SPF lotion to your hands because your hands are most exposed to the sun every day and can give away your age. Keep them protected. If you are interested in the final results of adding this LED tech to my beauty regimen, or if you have any questions at all, please leave a comment below and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more. Thanks so much. See y'all later.